To replace the rear plastic shroud, the first thing we need to do is power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws that secure the shroud to the chair. Okay, then we can remove the shroud from the chair and completely remove the 3 screws. Before we install the new shroud, note the 2 tabs at the rear of the shroud and the 2 corresponding slots on the chair. We need to insert those 2 tabs into the slots. Okay, then we can replace the 3 screws that we removed from the previous shroud to secure this shroud to the chair. Okay, then we can plug in the chair, power it on, and we're done.